Hiccup cure. Poor kid has got the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Perhaps Timmy can help. Timmy wonders if ear waggly might get rid of kid's hiccup. Wiggle, wiggle, hiccup. That hasn't worked. Perhaps bouncing will get rid of kid's hiccup. Boing, boing, hiccup. That hasn't worked either. But Timmy knows someone who can give kid an even bigger bounce. It's Paxton. Boing. Kid's hiccups have stopped. Good work, everyone. Bye.